R.K. Dubey, CMD at Canara Bank, joins us on the show right now. Hi, Mr. Dubey. Morning. Let's firstly talk about the RBI cut in the MFS rate by 50 basis points. What kind of relief does that give you?
See, this has only improved our liquidity. Sometimes we had to borrow at a higher cost. So now that is not required. The cost has come down, which had become too high. And we are a bit comfortable so far as liquidity is concerned. But any tinkering in the rate at the moment is not desired and called for, so we are not doing it. In retail, some of the rates we have reduced further, although my base rate was 9.95, which was already the lowest, and I was lending at 9.95 with the housing segment. Besides housing, in other segments like consumer loan, car loan, we have reduced and aligned our rate further with the market. And we feel our rates, net rate to the borrower, are the lowest at the moment for the retail lending. And we have also reduced processing fee. So our festival bonanza is already working. And we were the first to have come into that.
Mr. Dubey, most rating agencies have been raising a red flag on PSU Bank's asset quality. What's the situation at your bank, and can we expect any improvement?
Yeah, the concern on asset quality remains because of the market condition, but for Canara Bank, we are relatively comfortable in comparison to other banks. Our gross NPA was one of the lowest as on 30th June, which is 2.9%. And I feel it has come down to 2.5 to 2.6%. The audit is going on, the limited audit that happens in quarter. And with that, the final position will be there. But as the things stand, our gross NPA has come down from June level. Our cash recovery was very high, 1,923 crore, 500 crore more than the corresponding period last year. Then our upgradation was 1100 crore. It is again 400 crore more than the corresponding period last year. And that has resulted in improving the asset quality.
Mr. Dubey, are you also taking advantage of RBI swap window, and how much money have you managed to raise from overseas market via the FCNR route?
No, now because the rate has already been moderated, and MSF has come down to 9% in two phases. So there is we feel there is no need of using a swap window now.
So how much fund infusion are you expecting from the government?
We have requested government to give 1,900 crore. Although we are not much concerned because we are still Basel III compliant, but as we are opening 3 overseas branches in the coming 6 months, and credit growth is good for us, so we feel if we get the credit, we will maintain the ratios. And government assured some capital to be given for further retail lending, and we have committed to increase 6,000 crores of retail lending by January. So we may get 600 crores there. So the total capital expected from the government is 2,500 crore.
What's the restructuring pipeline looking like for the second quarter?
In second quarter, the 2 big accounts that were restructured were Gabon India around 500 crore and Electro Steels about 400 crore, total 900 crore. And then there were smaller accounts. So these were the major accounts restructured, Gabon India and Electro Steel in the second quarter. Third quarter, yes, there are around 10 accounts where it is possible, Abhijit Projects, Educom Solutions, amounting to around 1,800 crores. Third quarter. I am talking of third quarter.
You recently also acquired a cooperative bank, Mr. Dubey. Can we expect more such acquisitions, and also what's been the strategy behind such acquisitions?
See, we have not acquired. That is an Amanat Cooperative Bank with 15 branches in Bangalore, 11 branches in Bangalore, 4 are nearby in Karnataka, a 30 years old bank. They were in problem, there was moratorium. They approached us and we went to, after a brief due diligence, we went to our board. Our board authorized us that with proper due diligence we can consider takeover. That was the thing. We have conveyed them our approval of the board. Now there is a process going on. It takes a lot of time. They have to go to the AGM. In the meantime, there is somebody, some court also has come into, because some case has been filed. So till court case is decided, and then only this thing will go further. Till then, there is no further progress in the matter. We have already, there is nothing new for the Canara Bank. We have already taken over in the past 11 banks. So if this goes well, we would always be open to examine to take over any bank if there is a need.
Right, Mr. Dubey, appreciate your time and thank you for joining us.